Welcome back to a new video. Today we will search toys in our rooftop. Then we will review the toys after searching them on rooftop. Okay, today I have a basket like Polly. I have collected already many toys. Now let's search with you. Okay, let's start. At first we are searching from this side. Oh, there is a toy in this tub. Oh, what's this? This is a trolley car. Okay, yellow, warning, caution. Construction truck. Okay, I'm collecting it. Very good. Then I am moving to the next. Oh, what's this? Oh, nice car. This car is in opposite side. Okay, what's this? This is a construction truck under construction. It's giving you warning, mini truck. Very nice this mini truck. Oh, good. Very strong. Orange and black combination. Good car. Okay, I'm collecting it. Yeah. Then I'm searching another. Oh, I found another one. Oh, this is nice blue car. Okay, this is a taxi, old model type taxi, like India use this type of taxi. Oh, this is nice taxi, old model. This is in color blue, black and white combination wheel. Very good. Okay, I'm collecting it. Oh, searching for the next toy. I found another toy. I find this helicopter. Wow, nice helicopter. This is flying in the sky. Oh, good. This helicopter is in pinkish purple. Oh, nice helicopter, lady pilot. Okay, I'm collecting this. Yeah. Oh, nice. What's next? Oh, this is a red bus. See, this is a red bus. Oh, this is a school bus, most beautiful car. AC number A129. This is a AC coach. You see, there are double AC school bus. Do you like this bus? What is the color of this bus? Can you comment? What is the color combination of this bus? I see. Okay, nice bus. I'm collecting it. Then searching for the next. Oh, there is another toy. What is this toy? I'm confused about this toy. What is this? This is Flycar Q8. Flycar. Oh, that means it can fly and run in the street. Oh, nice car. I have never seen like this beautiful car. This is a flying car. Okay, very good flying car. You see, like drone and car. I'm collecting it. Okay, searching for the next one. I think there are nothing now. Oh, I see, there is another red car. Oh, what is this? This is a racing car. Oh, racing car. Like this car. This car number is 6, a sports car. Oh, heavy speed. Okay, I'm collecting it. Now searching for another one. Oh, I see something here. Oh, this is a red private car. Oh, nice red private car. This is very nice red private car. Okay, very strong. I'm collecting it. Basically this is a wine color and we primarily said it as a red color. Okay, nice. I'm collecting it. Oh, there is another toy up at the AC machine. Ooh, I love this toy very much. It is red and black combination. Oh, the wheel style is very good. Okay, I'm collecting this toy in my bag. Okay, no more today. I have lot of toys now and I don't want to search anymore. If you like to search, you can search your rooftop for new toys. Okay, goodbye.